For browsing any websites, do we use any kind of IP addresses? No, we don't. We just type the name such as google.com, youtube.com, like that. But to see our application, we have to type the IP address. That's pretty strange. Let's connect our domain in this video and try to browse through that domain. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, we are inside our AWS and the website is running. Yeah, it's a boring one text, one page website. We have UC an IP address. We have to connect it with our domain. So you must have a domain. I purchased one from HostingCar, logged in, and you'll see the list of domain you have. I have just one, ajmin.tech. So let's just click on manage. It may vary based on platform. Maybe you have the domain on Namecheap, maybe Bluehost, or maybe GoDaddy. So it's going to be a little bit of a different. Just try to Google a little bit, or maybe a YouTube video, how to update the DNS. So I am inside my DNS and name servers. You'll see a lot of things here. Just ignore it. So you have to add a new record called A, and name has to be @ and points to, what's that? That's going to be the IP address of our domain. I mean the AWS. So let's just paste it, and TTL, just leave it whatever it is, and click on add record. It's going to take a few amount of time to update the record. It may take even 24 hours, in some cases 48 hours. So be patient and keep on checking whether it's updated or not. But the question is, Ajmin, how do we check whether it's updated or not? Well, let me show you. First of all, let's try to see whether it's added or not. Yeah, it's added. There is a website called dnschecker.org. Just go over there and just type your domain. For me, that's ajmin.tech. So click on just search, and whoa, that's fast. I like Stinger. Okay, cool. Now let's try to browse our website with this domain. Now there is a problem. I was doing some of the funny things and testing with my domain. So let's try to take a new incognito window, because there will be a lot of cache history with those testing. So I don't want to see that. Just ajmin.tech. But the problem is, as of now, we don't have HTTPS in our domain. So let's explicitly mention that we want to use HTTP, not HTTPS. Yeah, we are going to install HTTPS later on. So just click here and let's see. That's Breeze. That's Breeze. That's what we wanted. Yeah. Hey, Ajmin, this website, hey, I am running the port 5000. So we were able to connect our domain with our EC2 instance. Okay, great. But there is a little caveat here. What's that, Ajmin? Well, if for some reason our computer hangs, we try to restart it. In AWS, if we try to reboot or stop the instance and start it again, basically restart, this IP address is not going to be similar. It's going to be changed. Great. It's going to be changed. Then what should I do? There are two ways. The very first one is the very basic one. Never restart your machine. I know it's funny, but never restart. And the second is, we can use another service called Elastic IP in our AWS. We're going to see that. Don't you worry on that part. So as of now, what we have achieved, yeah, our domain is connected. Let's go ahead and see other things in the following of videos. And I'm really hope that I'm going to surely catch you up in the next one.